Before we start, make sure you stand till the end, guys. We'll explain how a simple mistake can make your brakes overheat. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW. It could be any BMW model, guys. Anything from 1 series all the way to 7 series, anything from X1 to X7. If you guys have overheating brakes, your brakes are getting hot, you may start experiencing vibrations in the steering wheel, brake pulsation, multiple things. You walk outside the car, you smell burning, okay, brakes, practically hot smell coming from the wheels. This will explain what can easily cause that. One of those could be, guys, a simple mistake that you made when replacing the brake pads, or sometimes, guys, it could be something that most people will never think about, what can cause that. Make sure to stand till the end, we'll cover that today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos, guys. We're constantly getting new cars here at the garage, working on that BMW now. We got a Dodge Challenger that will be working. We have more than 15 vehicles waiting to be shot, guys, so videos are coming all the time. If you need help with anything, leave a comment below our videos and we'll try to make a video for your problem. That way we can help you, we can help other people with that problem, and we can build a community where we help each other. If you need to buy any parts tools for your car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, guys, and you can save a ton of money. So what we have here specifically will be demonstrating on a BMW X4, but practically it will work on almost any newer vehicle using disc brakes. We're going to explain what can easily cause brakes to overheat and how to fix that, guys. One of those could be, guys, a really simple mistake. Before we start, okay, let me tell you, make sure you stand till the end. We'll explain why it's not a good idea to have your car parked for a long time without driving it. So, first, this is the rotor right here. This is the disc, the brake disc. We have 2 brake pads that will be on each side of the disc, right, in the caliper. Right here, and when you apply the brakes, guys, the brake paddle, the piston will go out and it will compress these brakes towards the disc rotor right here, and they will create friction. It will start slowing you down. One common thing that can cause overheating is old brake pads that are glazed. That means that the brake pads became really hard, and they have that mirror finish that actually, guys, have a hard time slowing down the vehicle. So you need to apply the brakes more, and as a result you have more friction that will release more heat. Glazed rotor can cause that as well. That's why every time you replace the brake pads, you're supposed to either replace the new with new discs or have the old discs, if they're thick enough, resurface. They cut the top layer, they remove that glazed finish, remove all the grooves, and make it nice and even again. Another thing that can often, guys, cause overheating brakes, check out the caliper. Usually will be, you will have, guys, glides. Those glides, except if you have the performance brakes, they might be different, but those glides allow the caliper to move back and forth, okay, and to follow the disc kind of thing, and to center itself. And if, guys, these glides are really rusted, they're practically, guys, rusted, really dry, not lubricated with grease, brake grease, that can easily cause, guys, that caliper to be on one side more and causing brake friction. As a result, heat will be released and you may have overheating brakes. So we will have a special video on the channel that will explain how to grease brakes, guys. It's going to talk all about that. Next, third, it could be, guys, a seized up caliper. You have a piston here that you have oil on the back side. When you press the brake paddle, hydraulic fluid, which is the brake fluid, will expand practically. More fluid will come and it will push that piston out. Now, when you release the pedal, a little bit of a vacuum will bring it back in, so it releases pressure of the brakes, and that way you don't have any dragging. But that piston can seize up, guys, and if it seizes up, it will not release, and as a result you will have constant pressure on the brakes. Multiple things can cause that. It could be bad brake fluid, old brake fluid. It could be, guys, just old piston. Sometimes you will need to rebuild it, but often not driving the car for a long time can sometimes cause that as well. Another thing, it could be, guys, disc brake rotor that's not even. If you have a disc brake rotor that's, guys, actually not even, you have low and high spots that can cause vibrations at high speeds when you hit the brakes, brake pulsation. Those brake pads will start following that rotor and they will practically hit in one spot quite often, and having uneven brake rotors can cause overheating easily as well. And that can be caused when you again park your car for a long time. Like this Dodge here, it's almost brand new, but it's been parked and humidity and moisture will build up between the pad and the rotor. Later you apply the brakes, it will scrape it off, but you will still, guys, end up with a low spot on the rotor, and that low spot will make it uneven. It will cause vibrations, brake pulsation, and actually it will, guys, cause overheating if you're using the brakes excessively as well. Those are some of the most common things that we see here at the shop. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.